Do not pay expensive in the market. Do it yourself. To start today's tip, first I will need a soap. The easiest way to do this tip is to use a grater. I will grate all the soap. Then I will also need a soap and do the same as the soap. Tell me if you've ever done any home cleaning tips using soap, and before I forget to, tell me which city is watching us so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Jonas Stevens from Iowa. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Done this, I will add in a saucepan and also 500 milliliters of water. Now I'm going to turn on low heat and mix well all the time. Once you melt all the soap, I will add fabric softener. The ideal amount is 30 milliliters. The fabric softener is the main item that will change the smell of your bathroom. After preparing this tip, now I will mix again. Another essential item for cleaning your toilet bowl is baking soda, and in this mixture, only 1 tablespoon is needed to aid in cleaning. This tip will surely change the hygiene of your bathroom. We'll never have the toilet dirty or smelly. This amount of mixture is already more than enough for use on your toilet for at least a month. Once this is done, our tip will be almost ready. I will remove the pan from the fire very carefully. I will put all the mixture in the form and let it rest for 5 hours. Is the time needed to harden the mixture. After this time, with a knife, I will cut into small squares, ideal shape to put directly on the toilet. It is only necessary to put on the inside of the toilet, and whenever you have contact with water, will fully exude the smell throughout your bathroom. I'm sure you will be surprised by this mixture in your home. I hope this tip will be useful to you. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.